Today we are going to revise active and passive voice. So first question is, John collects money. So first, children, we need to check the tense. John collects money. Can you tell me which tense it is? John collects money. Can you
Ma'am,
identify
it is
the tense?
present tense.
It
Ma'am,
is?
present tense. Ma'am, present tense.
Which form?
Simple present.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it's
simple.
simple present. Okay. And what is the rule of active and passive voice? Subject, verb, object. And when it comes into passive voice,
Yes, ma'am.
object becomes subject, money. Then
Money
present tense is, then
is
third form,
collected
collected
by June.
by we are using by. Okay. So object will become subject. Object becomes subject.
Subject.
And as it is present tense, so we'll use is am are, and according to subject we are using, if it is singular we will use is, if I is there and we are using am, and if it is plural we'll use are. And in every passive voice we use verb third form. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
subject
Then by
becomes
John.
object, by John. By we are using. Now next sentence, second one.
Anna opened the window.
So which tense
Window
it is?
was by
Anna
Anna.
in the window.
Window
Which tense it
The
is?
window
by Anna.
was opened by Anna.
Very good, because it is simple past tense. So was will be there. The window, again it is singular. So we will use was. The window was opened by
Opened by Anna.
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 So I think now it's clear. You
Yes,
are able
ma'am.
to do it. Tanish, any
Yes,
problem?
ma'am.
You are having problem, Beta? Now it's
No,
clear.
no, ma'am. Ma'am, I have cleared with my problem now.
Okay. We have done our homework. We had done our homework.
Homework was done.
Was will not
Homework
come.
was
done
done
by
by
Was cannot come.
done by us.
We can say this is present perfect tense.
By us.
This is present perfect tense.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
homework,
Yes.
we are not changing the tenses. Our homework, it
Our
is singular,
homework.
has
Yes, ma'am.
has
Our
Has
homework
been
has
done.
been
Has
done.
Has
been
been
done
done
by us.
Homework
By
has been done.
us.
by us. Okay? Because it is present perfect, so we have changed into again present perfect, and as it is having verb third form also, has have also, so only been will be added. Has been. Okay? I will ask a question. I will ask a question. I will ask a question.
Ma'am, a question will be asked from me.
Very good. By me. I will ask a question. A question will be asked by me. A question will be asked by me.
A question will be asked by me.
Will be asked by me. Next.
He
can
can
cut
cut
the
out
picture.
the picture.
He can cut out the picture.
Picture can cut out by him.
The picture can be cut out by
Cut
him.
out by him.
Very good. The picture can be cut out by him.
Him. Him.
Yes, absolutely correct. The picture can be cut out by him. So now you are able to do it, I think. I
Yes,
want you to
ma'am.
do this in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Write as revision. The picture can be
Okay,
cut out by
Okay,
him.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next, the sheep ate a lot. The sheep ate a lot. Tell me, children. The sheep ate a lot. A lot. A lot.
Is eaten by sheep.
It is
A
second
lot.
form. Was. Because it is past tense. Was
Lot
eaten.
was ate by sheep.
Eaten. Third form. Eaten by the sheep. In all passive voice, you have to use verb third form. Past participle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
We
do
do
not
not
clean our rooms.
clean our rooms.
Our rooms
Our rooms
are not cleaned by us.
Our rooms are not cleaned by us.
Very good. Our rooms are not cleaned by us. Rooms are not.
Car will not be repaired by the
Yes.
William.
William will not repair the car.
the car
Car
was
will not be repaired by the William.
By William.
The car will not be repaired by William.
William.
Absolutely correct. Did Sue draw this circle?
Is this circle drawn by you?
Very good.
This circle drawn by
Very good.
This circle is drawn by you.
Is this circle drawn by you? Did Sue draw this circle? Is the circle drawn by? Did so was will come, not is. Was, because it is past tense. Was this circle drawn by Sue? Could you feed the dog?
Can this dog feeded by you?
Why can will come?
Could this dog feeded by you?
Could this dog be fed by you? Could the dog be fed by you? I hope it is clear now. No problem to anyone.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.